VoluTurn with active chip thickness control. Let's look at our VoluTurn. Here we have our toolpath. You see the toolpath, active chip thickness is not switched on right now. Let's see how it looks with our utility markers. Here you see our utility markers for the feed rate. It's a constant feed rate all the way through the whole machining with VoluTurn. Now let's switch on active chip thickness control. The target thickness is 3000, minimum thickness 2000, maximum feed rate is 0.12. Redo. You will see our toolpath again. And now if we look at our utility markers again, now we see utility markers, feed rate markers all over the place to maintain variable feed rate with active chip thickness control, so the constant thickness of the chip thickness is maintained.